Hey, what's up? It's the Playback Boys.
And we back with another TXT.
Yes, sir.
Shout out my mowers. Those in the chat.
Shout out my mowers. Shout out my mowers right there.
Shout out to us.
Hi, shit.
Capital M
We're
for
shouting
chat,
out the
bro.
mowers, and we're mowers. Because last time I said just me, but
Yeah, it's all of us.
It's
man.
a we
Come on,
team,
bro. It's
bro.
a we team, bro.
What a selfish guy.
It's all of us,
come on,
bro.
man. I
Shout out
corrected
Kev, bro.
myself. You gotta
Good man.
accept my apologies.
Correct you? Yeah, I'm gonna correct you.
We're gonna be reacting to 5 songs from
Yes,
the Star
sir.
Chapter album.
Sheesh.
Or
Oh,
EP,
shit.
I'm not 100% sure. So each individual song, Yeonjun is gonna be performing Ghost Girl.
Ghost
which is
Girl.
his
I
video.
go.
Subin's gonna do Sunday Driver.
Driver. money.
Yeomgu, hey.
Hey.
Take My Half.
Hey.
Not Panic, because it's not part of the album.
Yes,
This
sir.
is all from TXT's album, but just each individual song. Taeyeon is doing Bird of Night.
Hey.
And last but not least, Hyunin Kai is
My
doing
goat.
Dance
That
with
shit.
You.
That's with you. I'll dance
So
with
without
you.
man.
Let's go.
So without further ado, let's get in to Ghost Girl.
Let's get in. Let's get in.
Hey.
Artist. Artiste.
You can be my ghost girl, you can tell my soul girl. Now that it is check tumbleweed.
Apologies.
Yeah. Try that.
So I was gonna ask you for the reload anyways.
Hey, I got you, lad.
Hey.
Picasso, I like it.
Dromia Picasso.
You can be my ghost girl, you can tell my soul girl. Now that it is check tumbleweed, take your real world. You can be my ghost girl. You can be my ghost girl. 내 심장을 터쳐 집에 가는 채 나의 모든 걸 넘겨. You can be my ghost girl. I feel you 밟아낸 곳에
London?
UK drillers, yeah? In them shorts. Hey.
I like that look.
He always gives us that look.
Every night in my bed. 환청처럼 울리는 손눈에 순간 아른거리는 너의 소원.
Yeah.
You can be my ghost girl, you can take my soul girl. 나를 잃은 check 전부 we take your real world. You can be my ghost girl. You can be my ghost girl. 내 심장을 거쳐 집에 가는 채 나의 모든 걸 넘겨. You can be my ghost girl. All my friends 날 보곤 바보해. And I don't really care, I don't really care. 지금마저 전부게 되니 baby 함께 있어줄게. I love it, nothing can be scared. Darling 너와 함께라면 걸어가 through the door. 미친 놈이라도 못해. 너로 인해서 넘치는 날 살아가 like you are. 어떤 이별조차 초월해.
Hey, Late Nation.
You be my ghost girl, come and take my soul, girl. 영원히 속 가득 더 꺼내는 heart. You can be my ghost girl. You can be my ghost girl. 나를 잠식했고 오직 너만이 날 손쉬게 하는 girl. You can be my ghost girl. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna stay with you. I just wanna live and die with you. You can be my ghost girl.
She got no white. Sheesh.
Ghost Girl, it's because she's a ghostie.
Ghosty.
Strong start. I'm liking it. Whoa.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Play again. Hey.
Sunday
driver.
Sorry, that.
Sunday morning.
CC, like, rain is boring.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Oh no, not a blown head gasket.
Oh hell no.
How'd you end up with the grass lad?
Check the carburetor, lad.
You can't park there, lad.
Check the fluid brakes.
Radiator's cooked.
Okay.
Different vibe. Okay.
Right.
Yo, sorry. Hey, Danny, please. Hey, please.
Danny, come on, bro.
Sorry.
Daddy, come on, bro.
That kind of vibe, bro.
Beat
You're
was taken
really
over.
on it.
Yeah. The beat was.
Play it back.
The beat is
Play it
beating,
back,
bro.
Don't even check it, actually. Throw it away. Middle of nowhere is crazy.
Alright.
Yeah.
Hey.
Cruise
control, yeah?
On some automatic Tesla stuff.
Self-driving, yeah? Come on now.
Self-driving.
Hey.
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 Can I have some? Smelting
Back.
back.
Road trip, yeah? Come on now.
Road trip to everywhere.
Hey.
Wait.
Hey.
Do you reckon beanstalk, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Or like, souvenir the beanstalk.
Subin is the beanstalk.
Subin and the beanstalk.
You just said that.
That's why it's self-drive, yeah?
Because it broke down. This guy got us all fooling.
Moa. 0822.
Sunday driver.
Come on now.
Tie.
Bunny.
Lucky.
Up the bunnies.
I like that joint. It's a little summer,
More catchy.
summer springy kind of joint.
Little Sunday driver, lad.
Hey, Sunday,
You play it again,
Sunday
or?
I'll
morning.
play it again. Bang. On
You're
to-
biased, lad.
I've actually already heard this song like
Same.
a little bit, slightly.
I've heard the whole song.
Little bit.
I haven't.
I've heard all
I
these
have
songs
not.
except for Kai's.
Oh really? Yeah.
It's a refresher for me. A Nunu.
That's
But
like
yeah, let's give it to
too.
It's a really good song.
The air balloon.
Let's judge it. Let's judge it. Okay, it's getting too fast.
Wait. What a shot.
It's getting hard.
It's like a skateboard.
Whatever, dude.
Turkey?
Wow.
Sorry for shit, so. Banger.
Wow.
Banger. Need I say more? Banger.
Damn, I like those lyrics.
Say more need.
Like just the last part in general. Just take my half. That's
Take my heart, man. This
only
song's,
only for the right person.
hey,
Hey.
I think this song's a bit more like hopeful.
Mm.
This is a really good song as well.
Yeah. Compared to Panic's a bit sad, but it's good as well. But I like the sad songs. Not gonna lie.
Bird of the night.
모두 잡는 킥
Hey.
Reload.
Load re.
Playback.
Boys.
모두 잡는 깊은 밤이 말을 걸어와 잡을 수 없는 밤 착각되는 시계 소리 도시의 소음만 점점 커져가 쌓여가는 선택 사인 불안함 속에 무거워진 어깨 어른이 듯한 건 뭘까 네가 전부 흐려져가 나에게 변해 불러 너의 젖는 도시의 별빛 아래 고요한 꺼낸 너의 fire 그 작은 점이 feedback 어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 I know We should let it go 모든 시간 감정들의 이름 잘못되는 저의 이유 이 세상에 없던 어둠도 언젠가는 너 내려 한번 도시 흔들리는 street lights 마치 내 맘 같아 이름 모를 이의 고민 속에 늘 떠올려 혹시 너도 그럴까 별을 향해 내게 주신 내게 닿길 기도하지 없는 이유 별을 향해 너와 함께 나가기 위해 Go ahead 날 날아가는 불러 너의 숱한 고민의 불빛 아래 찬양과 우리의 너의 fire 잠들지 못한 제발 어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 I know We should let it go 끄는 별을 바라보고 있어 어둠 속에 떠올리는 이유 이 세상에 없던 어둠도 언젠가는
Okay.
Do me a favor, bro. Yeah. Please, bro. Please.
No, what the
Bro. I almost ascended into the freaking heaven.
Why didn't you? Sir?
Because I needed to hear it back one more time. Damn, I can't even hit the notes like that.
Damn. Shout out to y'all, man.
Oh shit, my bad. Sorry.
That was
Lay it back.
beautiful, man.
Just don't do it again, alright?
Back replay.
I have to replay that one back later.
Cutie guys,
Man.
dance with you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Vibe switch.
Okay. Oh, come on.
Playback.
Yes.
Justice, do him justice.
Time.
Hey. That's upside down though. Mexico? Oh yeah, I know
Great
the song.
transition.
Hey,
Hey, the hips don't lie.
Damn.
Hey,
Yeah.
hey, red.
God, this is a track, bro.
Hey,
Hold hands with you.
Hey. Break it down now.
hey,
Hey.
the rooftop.
Hey. Hey.
Parabus.
San Luis.
Sounds like somewhere in South America.
Probably.
It's gotta be South
Come on,
America.
like Mexico.
Sir,
Mexico.
Mexico, stand up, man. That's the TXT boys.
TXT.
I've got
an order.
I got a favorite.
I've got an
I don't
order.
have an
I've got a favorite and a second favorite, and then an
I've got an
honorable mention
order.
to rest.
And a
Yeah,
third and
me
a fourth
too.
and fifth favorite.
You want to go first, Gabe?
Sure.
Go for it, lad.
Hey, I've heard Birds of Night and also Take My Heart before. You know, I just be scrolling on TikTok and then I just be seeing TXT started songs and I see them and then listen to them and add them all to my playlist. That shit.
Crazy, you gotta wait.
So,
He's doing his research.
it just comes up on my For You page. I'm not even like looking for it, you know what I mean? So it's like a sign.
For you, bro.
Exactly,
Yeah.
that shit. So,
That's really-
Birds of Night is my number 1.
Hey.
Take My Half is number 2.
Mm.
Dance With You is number 3.
Hey,
Ghost Girl is number 4. And then Sunday Driver is number 5. Last but definitely not least. But shout out to all the boys, chicks, D's, Mars, man. Y'all killed it with the solo things, man. Personal preference, you know. Mango, like,
Personal
little
preference,
side,
yeah.
you know, everything.
everything's always
Put that
personal
like
preference. Type.
that shit.
Who next?
Yeah.
I can go next.
That shit. I like the energy, bro.
I'll go last then.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna-
boys,
because-
hey.
Because I'm on a dance thing. I like a little bit of a vibe, you know what I
Hey, okay.
mean? I'm gonna put Dance With You first.
Hey.
And then I'm gonna put hold on. I'm gonna put Birds of the Night second.
That
Yes,
shit.
sir.
Then I'm gonna do Ghost Girl.
Yeah.
Ghost Girl, I'm just a bit of a bias, you know.
Hey.
That's
Hey.
you do-
Hello, hello.
that's my goat, bro. You know what I mean? And then I'm actually gonna do Sunday Driver, and then Take My Half.
Sunday morning.
Fair, fair.
Oh
Oh,
shit.
shit.
I like the energy.
Typachito. Okay, so I'm gonna put Bird of Night, bro, first.
Type.
Oi.
First, and then I'll do Take My Half second.
Oi. Trying to copy me.
Sunday Driver third.
Oi.
Dance With You, and then sorry, bro.
Oi.
Yunjun, bro. Ghost
Sorry,
Girl.
bro.
You don't have to be
Last but
sorry.
not least.
Sorry, bro.
You don't have to be sorry.
You can't please everyone, you know?
Yeah,
It's your
but
vibe, lad.
Do I have to do top 5?
Yeah,
Like
you do. Top
in
5,
order?
not 5. Hey?
yeah, but honestly, what sold it for me is the last part of
of
Birds,
Night.
But yeah,
Birds of
Right.
Night.
So
That
sonically
part was
beautiful,
so
bro.
slick.
Yeah, run it back one time.
Run it back for one time.
Yeah.
Taeyeon is
Crack,
such a
bro.
talented singer. Holy heckers.
Holy cow.
Holy cowies. But you can't go wrong with any of them.
Yeah.
5 for 5.
5-5.
5 for 5.
I'm gonna. Hey.
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 Boy.
Can I take a guess? Can I take a guess?
Top 2, not 2. Yeah, guess.
Take my half.
I'll gladly take your half.
Hey.
Can I take the whole of you?
Now you're gonna have
Be
half
greedy.
then. Relax now, relax.
It's
now.
half and
Sometimes
half.
you gotta be
Bro.
selfish in this life, you know.
Take my half. Number 1.
Yes, sir.
Sunday driver number 2.
Yo.
Wee.
And honorable mentions the rest. I'll just give an order. Okay. I'm gonna say.
You can do what you want, lad. If you
Yeah,
don't
do
want
what
to
you want,
choose,
bro.
you don't have to
Yeah, you
choose.
can
like,
do
can
it. You don't have to do
honorable
honorable
just
mention
end
if
it,
you
lad.
want.
Let's go.
No.
I can't force you. You can't. We
I'm
can't
just
force you to live your life.
trying to think. Like I have. These two are very neck and neck. I'm
Mm.
just deciding which one am I gonna put above the other.
Or
Well, maybe
tie
just
it,
do
lad.
it. Yeah,
Yeah,
just
you can
tie
tie
it.
them.
Okay, you know what? Honorable mention to the rest.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So honorable
Yes,
mention
sir.
to
I
Kai,
like it.
honorable mention to
No,
Taeyeon,
we
and
don't.
honorable mention to Yeonjun.
Yeah,
Oh,
valid.
shit, man.
But yeah, I really liked Subin's joint actually.
Mm.
It's my first time hearing it. Like actually really
I
good.
know that sound.
Yeah, that's like maybe because it's like a sunny day, so I'm just in that
Yeah, it's giving that,
that
vibes
kind of
as well.
vibe. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? But yeah, any
I'll
other
still
takes?
listen to
Also,
it.
TXT as individual artists, they all have different flavors.
Oh,
That's what I
100%.
could
Yeah.
kind of get from
Me too.
Yeah,
I
this
can get that
music
as well.
video.
yeah.
Like, I feel like Taeyoung, Youngjin, he's on some like other vibe though. Like I can't.
He
kinda
gives
like
like
grungy.
old,
Yeah, grungy vibes,
Yeah,
right?
grungy vibes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Majority of his music
'Cause-
that we've seen is very grungy.
Because
so-
even
like
the
it.
makeup reminded me of like Youngblood, if you know. You
That's
know.
what I was gonna say.
Yeah,
Actually,
yeah,
like
yeah,
the
yeah. Him
eye
that
makeup.
fit too.
Yeah, exactly,
Yeah.
yeah.
Let's look at
I mean,
that.
like some Youngblood vibes. Oh, shit.
He's on that. He's on that thing, bro.
I'm not gonna lie. I feel like
They
Daniel would
would-
suit like the suit with the short vibe, bro.
Hey.
Hey, I
Like
reckon
that.
you'll rock out
I was
next,
gonna say
next
Youngjin
shoot
should do a
with it,
collab
bro.
with Youngblood.
Yeah, I
have to
reckon
have
he would
high
actually
boots
go
as
off.
well.
Yeah.
Maybe. That might be me. And next shoot.
Yeah, facts.
But
And just
probably
make sure you
not
also
there.
have like eyeliner as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, and like
It's a must.
Yeah, that's a must, bro.
Yay.
no, maybe ifs or buts.
Facts. But yeah,
Trying to
Youngjin
find
has
the
that
shot,
kind
but I
of
can't find
aura
it.
to him. Whereas the others, they kind of have more of like
Well, they all have their own like
Aura.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have their
like
own aura.
Subin's like BFG, Big Friendly Giant.
yeah.
Like that's it.
That's
And
why it
then, like-
translates to his music.
Don't even have to sing the right words, bro. It's karaoke, bro. We don't even gotta sing the right words.
It's kind of alt rocky as well, a little bit actually.
Yeah.
More like indie rocky.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But he's
indie-
more
indie
like
pop
the
rock.
what's it called?
What do you call it?
Indie pop rock. And
Indie
his
pop
songs
rock.
are like I can imagine them at like the start or like the end of an anime or K drama.
Yeah.
Like just the intro song.
Like a K drama, yeah.
Yeah. Taeyeon's just like
Rom-com.
vocal genius, bro.
That's
Vocal
what I'm
genius.
saying,
And he's
bro.
like
The
he-
visuals
in his
as well,
feels
crazy in
like
there.
And then
He's
Kai,
majestic
hey,
as, man. He
dance
just
with
doing
you.
that sexy
Dance
thing,
with you,
man.
Come
He's,
on
he's
now.
on some
The flair.
The
hipster
fire.
light type vibe.
Hey.
Hey.
6'7" type vibe.
Alright.
Yeah.
And on that note, that was us reacting to some TXT. I know
Yes,
you guys
thank you.
been missing it, so shout out you moles. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for your love.
Thanks, guys, so
we
much.
appreciate each and every single one
Love
of
you
you.
guys.
Capital M
Patreon.
Club,
Like, comment, and subscribe. Patreon down below. Instagram down below.
Yes, sir.
BBB
Out!